everyone. Let's talk about the structure of cards. Tarot cards are divided into two main parts, the major arcana and the minor arcana. The major arcana consists of 22 cards numbered from 0 to 21. These cards reflect the major life lessons, spiritual growth, karmic experiences, and significant events that have a long-term impact on our lives. The energy of these cards is deeply related to soul's journey. The next are the minor arcana cards. Minor arcana consist of 56 cards. These cards represent day-to-day events, practical aspects of life, current situations, and short-term influences. Their effects are usually temporary and focus on everyday experiences rather than major life-changing lessons. The word arcana means mystery. Together, the tarot cards reveal the mysteries of life and the journey of a person in unfolding through. Let's talk about the structure and the meaning of minor arcana cards. So the minor arcana consists of the four suits: swords, wands, cups, and pentacles. In these four suits, there are two types of cards. 1 to 10 are consist of the pip cards, which are generally situational, and next 11 to 14 are basically court cards, which represent the personality of the person. In the court cards, there are pages, knights, queen, and kings. So there are swords, wands, cups, and pentacles. Swords represent the male energy, and the element of swords energy is the air. Direction is east. It has crown and third eye chakra, and it also represents throat chakra. So basically it represents the thoughts, ego, and mind. Next is wands. Wands are the female's card, which has fire and the south element. The chakras are representing the sacral solar plexus, and it generally tells the travel and movement. Next is the cups card. Cups are basically the way we feel, and the element is the water. Chakras associated north, heart, and solar plexus. Emotions and feelings and relations are generally consist in the cups card. Next is pentacles. Pentacles are totally coins and material energy. The direction associated is west. Chakras, roots, and sacral chakra. Basically, it represents the material aspects of the life, the financial aspects of the life. Thank you.